Okay, another example will be something like this, where there's something missing. On the main floor of the Kodak Hall at the Eastman Theater, the number of seats per row increases at a constant rate. Stephen counts 31 seats in row 3 and 37 seats in row 6. How many seats are in row 20? Well, we got to take into account what we know. We know row 3 has 31 seats. This is the row, which is really the term number in another situation. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. And in row 6, there are 37. So we're looking to be counting the same number increase each time, because they're saying the key word here is that word, the word constant. The word constant means in sequences, right? The common difference. What is the D? We're looking for the D. And so that constant rate would be the D rate. So we're looking for the D. And then we can kind of maybe work backwards. Oh, no, we got to work forward. We got to go all the way up to 20. Holy cow, how many seats are in row 20? All right, well, let's find that D number. We're going to just keep going this way, right? Bop, 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 until we get to the 20th row. All right, well, let's figure this out. Well, I just need to figure out what is the D. So let's see. This is 30, 32, 33, 34. Nope, 31. If I go by 2, that's 33. If I go by 2, 33, 34, 35, 35, 36, 37. Yeah, it's going by 2. So just giving yourself a little time to just figure out what is going on, right? Making a sequence of the situation. We know that this has to be true because it's a constant rate. They're constantly adding 2, so our common difference is 2. And so if we're adding 2, this is 33, and then 34, 35, and then 36, 37. And then we have to figure out how many is going to be in row 20. Now, I can keep doing this till I get to 20, but I'm not going to. I'm going to write my equation. I'm going to write my explicit equation. Believe it or not, this is like a word problem on a multiple choice word problem on the Regents. So you can see that the Regents, even though you think multiple choices are easy, they're not. This is pretty involved. And so you really have to take time to figure out those multiple choice problems, because the multiple choice problems are really intense problems. All right, so we know that we're going to have D, which acts like the slope, right? So this is going to be 2 times n. We have to figure out what was t of 0. T of 0, so that means I'm going to work backwards, which is a lot easier. 2, 1, 0. So working backwards from 31, so that's 30, 29. And then working backwards from 29, 28, 27. And then working backwards, see, I'm counting backwards too, right? Because this is still plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. But working backwards from here is 26, 25. So that means that the t of 0, or the starting number, is 25. Okay, so they're trying to get us to find row 20. They want us to find row 20. We can find row 20, no problem. Row 20 is going to be t of 20. 2 times 20, and then add 25. 2 times 20 is 40. 40 plus 25 is 65. So all of this hullabaloo just to get how many seats are in row 20. There are 65 seats in row 20.